Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we are going to make sweet potato dog treats. So before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified of when new content comes out. And if you follow this recipe to the end, you can check out our new thriving member community and get your free membership today. So we are going to get started on these dog treats. Our dog goes crazy for these treats. And being a vegan, being whole food plant-based, we want to feed our dog healthy treats also. So this is super simple, quick, and easy. So I'm just going to cut off the end. And I've got my mandolin here, and I'm going to click it to about medium. That's probably less than 1/4 of an inch thick. And we're just going to make some slices. And you're just going to continue slicing, probably 2 sweet potatoes worth. And then we're going to stick them on our dehydrator sheet, and we're going to dehydrate them because that's what makes them really, really crispy. Okay, so now that we have a few sliced, I'm just gonna put them on my dehydrator trays, and they have the little plastic screen on them so that it doesn't fall through the holes. We're just gonna layer this whole sheet. And then I have my dehydrator set at 135, and we'll start out by putting them in for about 6 hours, and then we'll check them. Okay guys, here we are. They are completely dry. And if you see, to test them, just snap one apart. It's got to be really crispy. If they're still like pliable a little bit, stick them back in your dehydrator and let them go for a bit longer. But these ones were in for about 6 hours, maybe about 6.5 hours, and they are nice and crisp. So you need to be sure to keep these in an airtight container, because if you don't, they're just going to turn into like leather again, and it's going to be really, not crispy. And your dogs, they kind of, I think they get a little bit excited about that crunch, just like we do with chips, right? It's kind of an addictive type of thing. But these are all good. And if you have a dog that has allergies to grains or anything like that, these are perfect. It's just sweet potato. Our dog loves them. I hope yours will too. And you might, if you try it with your dog, if your dog is used to having some like little meaty treats or just other treats, they may not like them at first. So don't give up if they don't like it first try. Keep trying. And if they do go leathery, you can stick them back in the dehydrator and they crisp right back up. So be sure to click on the link right over here, or is it over here? And join for a free membership. And if you notice in the background, you see that cookbook cover right there? That is in the works, and it's going to be coming soon. So be sure to stay watching so you see it when it comes out. And I'll see you next time.